Hey everybody, welcome back to the channel. I'm going to do a quick walk around about this International TD-15C. It's owned by the local county here. Really cool machine. These used an International DT-466 and they had outboard planetary finals, which is really cool and such a great engine. This one has the original rippers on the back of it. This is kind of cool. Dealership, Border Machinery, Albuquerque, El Paso, and actually that's where my backhoe came from. Pretty clean, straight machine, well taken care of. Got a leaky hydraulic cylinder here. Undercarriage isn't too terrible. I believe you can still get most of the undercarriage for these machines. This has the reversible fan. You can see there, you just make an adjustment with a tool. Make it from a pusher to a puller, or vice versa. Got your regular controls on here, power shift, 4-speed both directions. Very cool. Well, hopefully I'll get the chance to buy one of these someday, but for now it's fun to look. Well, thanks for watching everybody. Stay tuned for more.